So the next and the last paid platform to drive traffic from is Instagram. So what you should know, guys, in first is that Facebook bought Instagram back in 2012 for $1 billion. And now Instagram worth more than $100 billion. I know it's a lot of money for an app. So do you know why a website or an app can be worth all that money? It's not because of its amazing design or its rare and unique domain or because of its, I don't know, long time being around in the net. An app or a website could be sold for that amount of money just because of the data that it has. The data is everything nowadays in the 21st century. Rich people and rich companies are rich just because they have other people data. And people's data nowadays it's worth money, equal money. The key to success today is attention. If you could drive traffic and attention to your website or your app, you could generate money. The data is the information of other people's, like their emails, their addresses, and their names and their age, and especially their interests, like their hobbies and work type, etc. And now Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram are powerful because of the data of other people that they store in their services. And when you're creating an ad on one of these platforms, it's like they are selling you others people data. And that's why Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, he is always having problems with the Congress and is all the time being asked whether if Facebook is spying on other people's data or not. Anyway, what I'm trying to say, guys, to you is that Facebook owns Instagram. And when you want to create an ad on Instagram, you have to go to the business.facebook, just like if you are trying to create an ad for Facebook. So let's go to our Facebook business manager, business.facebook.com. Okay, now, so enough talking and let's go to create a campaign in Facebook to be published on Instagram.